Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: eye diseases and the subtle symptoms that could signal trouble. Our eyes are incredible organs painting the world around us in vibrant colors and intricate detail. But just like any other part of our body, they're susceptible to diseases and conditions that can threaten our precious sight. The good news is that early detection is key when it comes to eye health. By recognizing the subtle signs and symptoms our eyes might be trying to tell us, we can take proactive steps to protect our vision. Stay tuned as we explore some common eye diseases and learn how to identify those early warning signs that could save your sight. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and keep those beautiful eyes healthy for years to come. You know, a lot of people think their vision is fine just because they see clearly. But here's the thing. Many eye diseases don't show obvious symptoms until they've already progressed. That's why regular eye checkups are so crucial, even if you think your vision is perfect. Think of it like going to the dentist for a cleaning. You might not feel any pain, but those regular visits can catch cavities early on, preventing bigger problems down the line. The same principle applies to your eyes. During a comprehensive eye exam, an eye care professional will not only check your vision, but also examine the overall health of your eyes. They use specialized equipment to look for any signs of disease, often before you even notice any symptoms. Early detection is key when it comes to treating eye diseases effectively. Conditions like glaucoma, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy can often be slowed or even stopped with early intervention. By catching these conditions in their early stages, we can preserve your vision and prevent irreversible damage. So make those regular eye checkups a non-negotiable part of your healthcare routine. Remember, your vision is precious, and prevention is always better than cure. Blurry vision is one of the most common eye symptoms people experience. It can manifest in various ways, from seeing things out of focus to experiencing cloudy or distorted vision. While occasional blurry vision might be due to simple factors like eye strain or dry eyes, sudden or persistent blurriness can be a sign of something more serious. One potential cause of blurry vision is refractive errors such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. These conditions affect how your eyes focus light, making objects appear blurry at certain distances. However, blurry vision can also indicate underlying eye diseases like cataracts, macular degeneration, or diabetic retinopathy. Cataracts cause clouding of the eye's natural lens, while macular degeneration affects the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Diabetic retinopathy, on the other hand, damages blood vessels in the retina, leading to vision loss over time. If you experience sudden blurry vision, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like double vision, flashes of light, or floaters, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. These could be signs of a serious condition like retinal detachment, which requires urgent treatment to prevent permanent vision loss. Remember, don't ignore persistent blurry vision. Our eyes are incredibly sensitive organs, and any pain or discomfort should never be ignored. While some eye pain might be temporary and harmless, persistent or severe pain can be a red flag for underlying problems. One common cause of eye pain is conjunctivitis, commonly known as pink eye. This inflammation or infection of the conjunctiva, the transparent membrane covering the white part of the eye, can cause redness, itching, and a gritty sensation. Another potential culprit is dry eye disease, a condition where your eyes don't produce enough lubrication. This can lead to a scratchy, burning sensation, especially after staring at screens for prolonged periods. However, more serious conditions like glaucoma, uveitis, or optic neuritis can also cause eye pain. Glaucoma is characterized by increased pressure within the eye, while uveitis involves inflammation of the middle layer of the eye. Optic neuritis, on the other hand, affects the optic nerve, which transmits visual information from the eye to the brain. If you experience severe eye pain, especially if it's accompanied by symptoms like blurred vision, headache, nausea, or vomiting, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. These could be signs of a medical emergency like angle closure glaucoma, which requires prompt treatment to prevent permanent vision loss. Remember, when it comes to eye pain, it's always better to be on the side of caution and consult an eye care professional. We often associate headaches with stress, tension, or even dehydration. But did you know that frequent headaches could also be a sign of an underlying eye problem? When our eyes have to work harder than usual to focus, it can strain the eye muscles and trigger headaches. This is particularly common in people with uncorrected refractive errors like nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. If you find yourself experiencing headaches after reading, using a computer, or engaging in other visually demanding tasks, it's essential to get your eyes checked. A simple eye exam and a pair of prescription glasses or contact lenses might be all you need to alleviate those pesky headaches. Moreover, conditions like eye strain, dry eye disease, or even convergence insufficiency, a condition where the eyes have difficulty working together to focus on near objects, can also contribute to headaches. In some cases, headaches can also be a symptom of more serious eye conditions like glaucoma. If you experience severe headaches, especially if they're accompanied by other symptoms like blurred vision, nausea, or vomiting, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. Remember, while not all headaches are related to eye problems, it's essential to rule out any underlying eye conditions, especially if you experience them frequently, or if they're accompanied by other vision changes. Sudden vision loss is a frightening experience that should never be taken lightly. It can range from partial loss in one eye to complete blindness in both eyes, often without warning. Seek immediate medical attention to determine the cause and receive prompt treatment. Where the retina pulls away from its supporting tissues is called retinal detachment, is one cause. Other causes include retinal vein occlusion and macular degeneration. Sudden vision loss can also be a symptom of a stroke. If you experience sudden vision loss, seek immediate medical attention. Time is of the essence in treating sudden vision loss. Prompt diagnosis and treatment can significantly improve the chances of preserving vision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care of your eyes and see you in the next video. Remember, your vision is a precious gift, and taking care of your eye health should be a top priority. By being aware of these subtle symptoms and seeking regular eye care, you can protect your sight and enjoy a lifetime of clear vision. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those beautiful eyes shining bright.